As in my previous video, I have told all of you about introduction of supply chain. Now I will continue it with supply chain management and its objectives. What is supply chain management? The design, planning, execution, control, and monitoring of supply chain activities with the objective of creating net value, building a competitive infrastructure, worldwide logistics, synchronizing supply with demand, and measuring performance globally. For example, Walmart has been a leader at using supply chain design, planning, and operation to achieve success. From its beginning, the company invested heavily in transportation and information infrastructure to facilitate the effective flow of goods and information. Walmart designed its supply chain with clusters of stores around its distribution centers to facilitate frequent replenishment at its retail store, and is a leader in sharing information with suppliers to bring down its cost and improve product availability. The results are impressive. The company has $17 billion net income in 2013 with total revenue of $469 billion. For that company, which has annual sale of only $1 billion in 1980. Here are the key objectives of supply chain management. There are 5 primary objectives that supply chain management can help a company or organization. Add value for customers and stakeholders. Number 2, improve customer service. Number 3, effectively use system-wide resources. Number 4, efficiently use system-wide resources and leverage partner strength. Here we will describe number 1 objective. Add value for customers and stakeholders. Supply chain management aims to create value through financial benefits, match the values of its customers to their social values of its customers, stakeholders, and community. Broadly, we can define value as the worth of an item, good, or service. Supply chain stakeholder values are like firms in the supply chain. They want increase in profit margin, market share, revenues, image, reputation, and decrease in expenses. And customers want affordable, safe, attractive, useful, timely, secure products and pleasant services. Investors want return on investment, comprehensive communication. Government needs legality, regulation, overall impact on community and environment. Employees needs job security, wages and benefits, and good working conditions. Number 2 objective is improve customer service. The second goal of supply chain management is to improve customer service. In terms of supply chain, we can define customer service as the ability of a company to address the needs, inquiries, and requests from customers. Next, we are taking the brief look at the fundamental attributes of customer service, which are availability, operational performance, and customer satisfaction. What is availability? Availability is the ability to have the product when it is wanted by a customer. By using supply chain management, a company can achieve high levels of availability while keeping its investment in inventories and facilities to a minimum. Operational performance. Operational performance deals with the time needed to deliver a customer order. Operational performance also means the steps that supply chain is flexible. It can accommodate unexpected or unusual customer requests and also have contingency plans if there is a service breakdown occurs. Customer satisfaction. Once the completed product and orders reach the customer, they will meet customer expectations in terms of quality, price, and delivery. Increasing customer satisfaction are the goals as supply chain management strive to continuously improve with time and build a successful long-term relationship. Number 3 objective is effectively use system-wide resources. For a supply chain to be effective in its use of resources, it must be using them in a manner that helps the organization to achieve its business goals. Resources can be employees, raw materials, equipment, etc. So being effective means that the supply chain gets the right product at the right amount to the right customer and at the right time. Objective number 4 is efficiently use system-wide resources. Efficiency is defined as measurement of the actual output compared to the standard output expected. Efficiency is on the measures of capacity in a supply chain environment. Capacity is all about what we can do by employing all the resources supply chain network. Supply chain network may include work centers, storage sites, people, and equipment. And the last one is leverage partner strengths. Partnership in a supply chain is based on trust. Supply chain management enables an organization to leverage the strengths of its partnership. As I have told you, partnership in a supply chain is based on trust, shared risk, and rewards aimed towards achieving a competitive advantage. A strong and useful partnership yields add value to the products, improve market access, increased income and shared costs, adding technological strengths, and improving organizational skills.